Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to create Google My Business account. So for creation, we need to go business.googlemybusiness.com. So let's go. How can open a Google My Business account? First of all, here you write business.google.com. Okay. So you can sign in now. Just click one. You have to write your business name. So before starting your business, so first of all we have to give our business name. So our business name is Special Gardening Landscaping. Okay. So I just copy this one and paste here. Okay. Okay. Landscaping. Just a minute, I need to check a business name. My client said about his business name. Just a minute. Special Gardening Landscaping. Okay, just copy this one and paste here. Okay, perfect. Then I need to continue. Then online retail, local store, service based business. This is my service based business. So I'm clicking and go to the next option. Business category. Just a minute, we have a code. Maybe that will be work. Paste, but not working. We have another landscaping. Copy this one and paste here. Landscaping, landscape architect, landscaping supply store, landscaping, landscape designer. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, then continue. Select areas. So our areas is Melbourne. Okay, I will select again from my client information. He give me all information on my WhatsApp number. Just a minute, I will check. Australia, city Melbourne, Victoria. Okay, city Melbourne, Victoria. Then paste. Okay, Melbourne, Victoria. Oh my god. And going to the next option. Okay, then we need to add a phone number, and we already have a phone number. Just trying to copy this one and paste here. Okay, we have a website already. Just copy this one and paste here. Okay, then put your business on the map. Discover area, respond area, get news tips or business profile, continuous. Then click the continue. Then business profile already created. Okay, so please enter your mailing address to verify. We need to add. I will add verify later. So just going to create. Add your services. So we will be services in later. I just want to skip. Okay, and Sunday only close. I will do every day. Okay, go to the next. We need to add, I just skip this one. Okay, add a business description. I also add this one now, and select a photo. I will also add this one, and claim your advertising 600 credit. Okay, I'm just want to skip this one and paste. Okay, try and skip this one. I will also add this one, skip, and continue. Your edit visible once you are the verified. Okay, so this is my business account created already, just we need to get it verified. Okay, so however we need to we have to create it our account. Now we need to verify. So hopefully you understand, you can create a account very easily. In the next video we will learn how we can verify it. Thank you so much for watching this video.